Hey guys, this is Jason with Adventures with the Leffords. Welcome to our channel. Glad to have you here. So yesterday, me and Matthew went to the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and lived about an hour and a half from there. So not that bad of a drive. So Matthew really enjoyed it. It's the first time me and him both been there. But yeah, he really enjoyed it. He's seen all the tractors and all the other equipment and everything they had there. I got me to one of the YouTubers I follow on our YouTube channel. Got to meet him and his wife. Their YouTube channel is the Eddy Family Farms. So I got to meet Brandon Eddy and his wife Stephanie. Wonderful people. Got to talk to them, chat with them there for a few minutes, and glad I did. So go over and check their channel out, and I think you'll really enjoy their channel. So they're just I don't know, wonderful people. They seem like they're down to earth and everything. So I'll have the link to their channel in the description. So I'm just giving them a shout out in this video. So I'm gonna hop off of here and get me some breakfast here at the Wigwam in Ravenna, Kentucky. See what the restaurant looks like. So they have a lot of home cooked meals here, real good food. The atmosphere here is, it's wonderful. The local people coming in here and the workers and stuff. So I'm going to get off here. They're going, so just watch video highlights where me and Matthew was at the farm and machinery show. And I hope you enjoy this video. And if you don't care, just please like, subscribe. And so we'll catch y'all on the next video. Pretty car. Why'd you buy that?
Why'd you buy it?
Well, I'll tell you what, you give me the money and I'll buy it. No?
I ain't got the money.
That's going to get you a job.
Job underage.
Okay. Well, oh boy.
I can drive this.
Think you can drive it?
Yeah. It's on the phone right here.
Yeah. They got a phone holder, and you know what they use that screen for?
Yes.
What?
Cameras.
Yeah.
This is the raised thing. Yeah. I'm almost.
About your size. Do what? Why?
Cramped.
Huh?
I said I'm cramped.
That what you want? You want it for your birthday or Christmas?
Christmas?
Huh?
Birthday.
Birthday?
Yeah.
Well, what do you want for Christmas?
$1 million.
Well, I hate to bust your bubble. You ain't gonna get neither one for your birthday or Christmas.
Man.
Now, can you fit in that one?
That's how you know.
They're nice tractors. This standard shift?
Yeah. You got the E-brake.
Yeah.
You got the...
I like this. It's pretty neat.
Yeah, you put a deer in the back.
The what?
You put a deer in the back.
Yeah.
It's got plenty of room. And look.
Your mom would like this one
Yeah.
because it's green.
You would like that one.
Yeah, let me get this. That way your mommy can see this. I like this color.
Rob needs a spam.
Hey, when did they get out on the Cave Run Lake? Huh? No? Why? Where would you take it to?
Florida. In the swamps.
Oh, you want to get your crocodiles, alligators?
Yeah.
Of all the tractors you've been in today, which one you like the best? Hard to say, ain't it?
Probably that one that you sat in with.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big one.
Want to get it?
Do what?
Want to get it?
You got money?
Yeah.
How much?
70,000.
You wish.
I do wish.
Very nice though.